Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video, your daily update on Solana. Again, I will prepare you as much as possible for what you need to know, or about what you need to know. On the short term, a little bit more of the long term as well. I mean, the long-term situation right now for Solana has been pretty clear now for a longer period of time, and that is, so we're diving right into the analysis. We'll talk about some interesting news in a moment as well. Because there are some interesting bullish developments for Solana, so we need to talk about that. But for now, let's start with the higher time frame technical outlook, and that is that Solana right here is nearing a major support level between 115 and ultimately 125, which we have already hit. And the question is, can we hold this? Can we hold this and consolidate and then eventually get back up to 160? And hopefully 185, or will this be the period of time that we actually get the bearish breakout and that will drop down lower towards that $100 level? My thoughts technically at this point of time are still that we will be able to hold this support level right here. All right, so that means that, and that's also what we said yesterday, that means that I do expect more bearish momentum pulling back into this level. And there also is a possibility that we spike lower to get a big liquidation spike. But ultimately, on the 3-day time frame, on the daily time frame, I do expect this level to hold, and I do expect the consolidation to hold. So that means I think it's just a matter of time before we get back up to 160. Now, what I do want to say as well in relation to that is that at this point of time, there's really no indication of this support level holding. Because if we zoom into the 4-hour time frame, look, Solana is just following Bitcoin a lot, but we are in a downtrend, and there's absolutely no indication at this moment, technically at least, that will break this downtrend. So short term, it's still most likely that will drop down lower. Now, fundamentally though, it gets a little bit more interesting for Solana specifically, but also for the markets. For Solana specifically, we already spoke on this yesterday. We have Solana breakpoint coming up. In the last 3 years, we've always seen a rally into Solana breakpoint. So that's interesting. It's, wow, it's pretty expensive. But all right, doesn't matter. So that's a bullish catalyst, right? And then apart from that, when we look at the fundamentals for Solana, we've actually seen a spike in daily active addresses, daily transactions, and DEX trading volumes and total value locked have bottomed out a bit. So that's fundamentally also interesting. It's not bullish yet because, well, no, it's not bullish yet because DEX trading volumes and total value locked are most important, and those are not bullish. They've just gone flat, right? So so that's good because they're no longer dropping, but it's not bullish. But that is something that in relation to Solana breakpoint and the markets as a whole could turn into something bullish. But like I said, purely technically, if we combine all of that, the case still remains that we're bearish for now. Now, if for some reason we actually do get some sort of a breakout, so at this point of time, 135 is very much the main level to watch. All right, so that's this level right here. If we're able to break above 135 for whatever reason with momentum, then it gets interesting. All right, then all of a sudden those fundamentals we just spoke about, they matter, because that could be the start of some sort of a Solana breakpoint rally. That could be the start of just in general recovery for Solana. Unless we have done that, expect more bearish momentum. And today, when we talk about the market as a whole, we also have the unemployment rate. It's going to cause volatility. That if that makes Bitcoin very bullish, but I'll still speak on that a little bit later today, then that could be another reason why we would break above 135. So in general, the breakout above 135, I think is the main level you need to be prepared to enter afterwards. But at this moment, it still most likely will drop down lower. I just want you to be prepared, all right? But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.